Welcome to Pedeo. Pedeo is a high-pressure foundry specializing in the production of technical casting parts in zinc and aluminum. We primarily manufacture technical components for a wide range of industries. As a foundry, we melt non-ferrous alloys, making energy a crucial factor in our operations. We serve a broad spectrum of sectors, from machinery and equipment manufacturing to automotive, aerospace, and medical industries. Our products span a wide range of technical parts, from medium to large series production. We have a clear, long-term strategy focused on carbon footprint reduction. It began 10 years ago when we electrified our entire production process. After removing all fossil fuels from production, we turned our focus to energy efficiency. In this effort, the EPX is a key component in reducing our energy consumption. Not only does it support reduction, but it also enables us to demonstrate and maintain reliable progress. The EPX helps us measure and report accurately, paving the way for future advancements. The EPX 1400 is a highly advanced device that allows us to achieve remarkable energy efficiency. To date, we have realized 6 to 7% energy efficiency. Beyond cost savings, it also significantly contributes to sustainability, allowing us to make leaps forward by lowering energy consumption. In addition to the significant energy savings, the EPX 1400 also helps balance the loads in our network, reducing peaks and enhancing overall grid efficiency. To maintain reliable production, the EPX 1400 allows us to reduce disruptions. Pedeo is a strong advocate for European industry. We believe firmly in a European manufacturing sector for European markets. To remain competitive, it's essential to invest in both innovation and sustainability. In these two areas, the EPX provides us with a vital advantage, and we remain committed to this belief.